Welcome to our channel. How to set up Ethernet backhaul with TP Link Deco. Step 1. Plug the main Deco into the router. Start with your main unit, the one that connects to your modem or router. Use the Ethernet cable that came with it. Plug one end into your modem or router, and the other into the main Deco's LAN port. Wait till the light goes stable, usually white or green. Step 2. Get the app ready. Grab your phone, open the TP Link Deco app. If you don't have it yet, download it, it's required, there's no way around it. Log in with your TP Link ID or make one real quick. Step 3. Make sure all Decos are online. Before you start plugging cables everywhere, make sure all the Decos are already added in the app and showing online. If one's grayed out or blinking red, fix that first. Don't skip this. Step 4. Decide which ones you'll wire. You don't have to wire all of them. Usually just wiring the ones farthest from the main unit helps a ton. But if you've got spare Ethernet cables running through the house, go for it. Every wired connection makes the mesh stronger and increases the internet speed. Step 5. Run the Ethernet cables. Plug one end of your Ethernet cable into the LAN port of your main Deco, and the other end into the WAN/LAN port of the second Deco. Doesn't matter which cable you use as long as it's Cat5e or better. Step 6. Wait for it to recognize the connection. After plugging it in, give it a minute. The Deco app might still show it as wireless for a bit, ignore that. Refresh once or twice. Once it detects the wired link, you'll see a note saying, Ethernet backhaul connected, under that Deco's status. Step 7. Daisy chain if you want. If you've got more than 2 Decos, you can chain them. Like, main Deco right pointing arrow Ethernet right pointing arrow second Deco right pointing arrow Ethernet right pointing arrow third Deco. TP Link calls it daisy chaining. Works fine as long as your cables are good. Step 8. Reboot all Decos once. After connecting everything, just reboot all Decos from the app, one by one. It forces them to rebuild the network path and ensures they're all talking through Ethernet, not Wi-Fi fallback. Step 9. Check in the app. In the Deco app, tap on each unit and look under Connection Type. If it says Ethernet, you nailed it. If it still says wireless, it's not using the cable. Check your ports or try swapping the ends. Step 10. Test the speed. Once it's all green and stable, run a speed test on the Deco app or just use your phone. You should see the same or almost the same speed as your main router. That's the whole point of Ethernet backhaul, no lag, no signal loss. Thank you for watching.